Kids Zone with Trishy. Colors of Christmas.
Twinkly stars and snowflakes white. Everyone dreams of that special night. Red is the color of Christmas joy. Santa's suit
Ho, ho,
and
ho.
wonderful toys. Picking a tree and garlands of holly. Green is the color that makes Christmas so jolly. Shiny gold instruments play merry songs. Golden candles glow as carolers sing along. Purple robes on three kind kings. Advent candles in a ring. Icy blue ponds with skaters gliding by. Cozy blue sweaters keep them warm and dry. Yummy brown gingerbread ready to bake. Reindeer fly by to help us celebrate. Silver bells merrily ding-a-ling. The mice hang tinsel while they all sing. Black are the boots, black is a hat. Black like a festive Christmas cat. Red and white stripes add a festive merry flair. From peppermints to stockings and candy canes to share. All of Mouseville is a rainbow of cheer. Christmas Day is finally here.